Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I call like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling.
In today's video, we will be showing you Chiapas, Mexico, where nature and history make perfect harmony.
Like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on.
We began our day with a boat tour in Sumidero Canyon. This canyon is home to many different creatures such as iguanas and crocodiles. With the boat tour, we were able to get a great close-up view of all the animals in and out of the water, along with a perfect view of the canyon. In this canyon, we also saw a family of spider monkeys just minding their own business. Due to the sheer height of the canyon, the sun is not able to reach every single part of it evenly, leaving a diversity of different plants to grow along the cliff face. After the tour, we made our way towards San Cristobal de las Casas, a small colonial town. We really enjoyed walking around its streets, experiencing everything this little town has to offer. After a long drive the day before, we made it to Agua Azul. We were able to enjoy this waterfall's majesty early in the morning, all to ourselves. This area is the perfect place for our morning walks. The tranquil noise of the flowing water gave us a great start to our day. We were able to park our van and sleep the night right next to the falls. This lets us enjoy the falls as soon as we wake up and before the tour buses come. This is one of the reasons why we love van lifing so much. The water was a little cold, but we didn't mind because it was so refreshing. Okay, we're going to another waterfall here and we're gonna try to go swimming. We brought our water bag for a flotation device. Hopefully it works. And yeah.
Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I call like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I
This is surely one of my favorite spots in Mexico. When we went, it was a weekday, so the area was not too crowded, letting us truly enjoy the scenery to ourselves.
overdue. But I
Last night, there was a large rainstorm, leaving the water less blue. It was still very clean and very enjoyable to swim in. Okay, it's our second day here at the waterfall and we're gonna go behind the waterfall to see the showers and all that stuff and show back. I love exploring this small area behind. With mist from falls and little rocks to climb over, it is really a perfect spot to be in. Okay, we're like packing up after the Misoha waterfall and like there's random noises coming from the jungle. If you can hear it, hold on, hopefully it comes. People are around and no one's like worried, so we're not. Yeah, it's really random.
Good morning. We are now in Palenque doing our tour in these ruins.
We were able to walk around this place early in the morning with very few people around and before the massive tour buses come. This, again, is one of our favorite perks of van lifing. The temperature in this area is perfect, unlike other places we've traveled to. We all were very happy to be able to pull out our sweaters and raincoats for this walk. Just outside of the main area for the ruins, we started a small hike to some other ruins deep in the jungle. The ruin we are walking to is a newly discovered temple, untouched by researchers and still covered by the natural jungle around it. After making it to the temple, we made our way back towards the van. Life is over there, and we're gonna head towards the waterfall pool area, and yeah. There were different swimming points all scattered around one small trail, so we wandered around trying to find the best one. We finally found a spot and slowly made our way into the water. It was fairly cold, but that was fine. It started to get a bit cold, so we made our way out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to check out our channel to see more of our adventures!